Hey, what's going on YouTube? My name's Blaze, and today I'm going to show you guys how I turned this selfie right here into this animated picture in the style of Fairly OddParents. I did this all with a paid ChatGPT subscription, and I'm going to show you exactly what I did in this video. Now, to start things off, yes, you will have to have a paid subscription to this model. If you do not have a paid subscription, you cannot access Sora AI for free. Sora is a very powerful tool owned by OpenAI, and it basically specializes in text to imagery. The reason that is so important is the fact that you cannot do this inside regular ChatGPT. Trust me, I tried in many different formats, and it basically kept telling me that it was a copyright violation and it would never produce the image that I actually wanted. However, using the exact same photo and the exact same prompt on Sora, I was able to generate this image. If you do have a paid ChatGPT subscription, make sure you are taking advantage of it and using Sora. In order to do this, all you have to do is go to the homepage of Sora, go to the very bottom on this plus icon right here, and upload the photo that you want to transform. The prompt that you want to use is this exact prompt on screen right now. I will also leave this prompt in the description below, and while you're down there, might as well hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. However, after you have uploaded that photo and pasted the prompt into Sora, all you're going to have to do is click create and wait a couple of minutes. Comment down below what video you want me to make next, and make sure to subscribe to the channel.